If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.
Traffic Cherokee entering runway 27, departing west. Linen traffic. Right clear? Yes. There. Rosy is alive. Bridges are in the green. 6065. Rotate. Right effect. Cherokee 22336.
And who was calling?
Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 22336, New York, go ahead.
Cherokee 22336 just left Linden Airport heading west, sorry. About 5 miles west of airport at 1500. Request flight following.
And November 336, what's your destination and requested altitude?
Requested altitude is 2500. Destination is Sky Manor, November 40. Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 22336, squawk 0310.
Squawk 0310, Cherokee 22336. Traffic 1 o'clock. Up. 1200.
1200?
Probably there it is. See, Cessna or
Yep.
something? I don't know. This thing is unbelievable, this Stratus.
George FedEx 3609 Heavies, 1500 quantity at SIG 1.
So now that everything is under control, I can take a snooze and
3609
I'm
Heavy,
gonna
radar
change my
contact, maintain
glasses.
4000 and turn right, heading of 300.
4000 heading 300 FedEx 3609 Heavy.
You'll manage a little bit without me, right?
Yes, I'll try to manage without you.
Oh, okay, good.
Lights up.
Remember, I can still hear you.
Yeah, I know.
What this plane doesn't have is a
FedEx
recliner,
35 Heavy out of
recliner option.
FedEx 35 Heavy, radar contact, maintain
There is here.
11,000.
This thing.
What?
11
This thing, right there. I think
SIG.
adjusted. But you have to think. Try it.
Wow! And you tell me this only now?
Well, I need a co-pilot, you know. Okay.
Wow. How nice. Next time I just bring a blanket.
Dang it, it's so difficult to find these Stunking airport. Every time, it's like you cannot see them.
There is an airport.
Ah, there you go.
This is the airport, 100%.
Okay, I know. Okay, thank you.
How you know?
Sky Manor traffic, Cherokee on short final. Runway 25, Sky Manor traffic. Lights. Camera. Action. Mixture. Prop. Fuel pump. On. Laps 40. Use 2 hands because I find it hard to control with this. With one hand. But it wasn't too bad, just bounced once.
Okay.
Was it terrible?
You bounced.
Okay. Oh, quite a few few people here.
Yeah, but there are still some tables.
Yeah.
I checked it out already. Not too bad.
This is Rosy with Aviator Ben. We are at my favorite place, Sky Manor. And as you might have noticed from my accent, I wasn't born here. So I want to give a shout out to my people or people in the country I was born at.
Excuse me, I don't mean to interrupt you, but
Sorry.
see at the back? Look back. Does this look familiar?
Oh yeah,
Bill.
So Bill.
Bill Hills with his wooden fabric plane. He's coming to say hello.
Okay, very good.
Go ahead,
In
sorry.
any case, I wanted to say hello and quiero saludar a todos mis amigos en Uruguay, en Montevideo, y mandarles un beso grande. Ben va a comer ahora un steak con huevos. Por favor, yo les mando besitos y ustedes me mandan unos chilitos. Beso grande. Chao.
Okay, translation? I have no idea. I don't speak Spanish. No hablo
Español.
español. Sí, no hablo español. So, anyhow, next one you're going to do
In German.
in German. So, stay tuned. Next flight when we come here, my honey, this is my honey, yeah. I will speak to the German folks.
Correct.
See you later. Bye.
First on traffic, Skyhawk 445 Delta, on a left downwind for runway 5.
Bridges alive.
Close down.
Bridges are in the green. Pump off. The pressure check. Aboard Cherokee 22336.
22366.
It's 22336.
Go ahead.
Request a flight following. I'm at about 10 miles east of Sky Manor. That's November 40. At 2,500. The destination is Linden Airport, New Jersey.
Okay, what's that aircraft?
It's a Cherokee.
Cherokee 336, squawk 0334.
Squawk 0334, Cherokee 336. No hands and it's going. No autopilot.
Departure, that's
Trip perfect.
347, passing 1000 for 1500.
Reach in, don't get cocky.
Cherokee 336, radar contact about 3 miles east of Solberg, VOR, Newark's altimeter 3025.
3025. The next time I should down from Solberg. They know Solberg, not Sky Manor. About Cherokee 22336, request cancel flight following. I have the airport inside. Cherokee 22336.
Squawk VFR and frequency change approved.
See you later. Thank you. Frequency change approved. VFR. Cherokee 22336. Then traffic. Cherokee 45 to left downwind. Runway 27. Linden traffic.
And Linden traffic, Cherokee 97% Whiskey's in the run-up area of beam runway 27, just for heads up, Linden.
Been looking for you. Linden traffic.
Police traffic 717.
Another plane here?
He's doing a run-up.
Oh.
So he might take off before me. He's just letting me know. Linden traffic, Cherokee turning left base, runway 27, Linden traffic.
clear.
Okay. Linen traffic turning final. Runway 25. Linen traffic.
Wings traffic, Cessna 814, Foxtrot Golf, inbound, 8 miles to the north for walk traffic in 24.
That's what I call it.
This is a good one.
Thank you. Even says nice one. That's called greasing it.
Yeah.
Or change.
I'm not listening to you, you're crazy.
Linen traffic, Cherokee clear, runway 27. Thank you for holding. Linen traffic.